slow. You can say this is some automatic robots producing lines. This is an industry robot for the car painting. So now follow me. This is the operating menu. There are some code. You can use this to control those robots, and those robots also can automatically working. You can see that robot. 然后来查一个这个that robot holding a car's frame and then put it in the car.
此外，为了赶未来电动汽车以及自然能源的扩展和通，三菱电机通过独创的生产最适合化解决方案，实现了生产环保节能的最优化。三菱电机以这个平台为您提供了全新的解决方案，在工业制造、基础工艺、交通出行以及生活领域不断发展智能环保化，为中国社会的发展做出贡献。 三菱电机以智能平台与您共创智创共生新时代。好的，接下来让我们。
Okay, and on the bike we can say there also are some industry robots. It's Kawasaki industry robots. Kawasaki is a Japanese company, and this is also the operating menu. You can use this to stop. Use all of this to code, to programming. This is the producing line. This is the producing line. Okay, let's go now. Another showing is this industry robot. Other industry robots looking very similar, but it's very different because it uses in different area. There are some advertising about the robots. This is Kawasaki robot, and ABB's Yumi robot. It's normally used in the hospital and some office and home for the service. And this is a very tiny robot. It's normally used in the body for the doctor to how to cure the patients. And this is the automatic driving. Looks like this. Some more advertising. Okay. Ashimo, it's very famous. It's Japanese humanoid robot. So it have two feet. Okay, and on the bike, this is a automatic clean robot. It looks like not a robot, but it's true. It's also used intelligent coding for working, so it's robot. It's called the Screwbot 300. This is the showing area for the company which called robotics. It's a company from the Japan. 然后那个扫出来就行。然后可以拿近一点看视频的。 头功能是啷个的？然后那头是人上，好，把测试机器。OK， and this is called ABB. It's commonly from the Switzerland. It's also very famous of the industry robots like that. 然后可以放大放近。Some industrial robots. Okay. And this 其实那还有很多图片哈。This is compound, which original from Germany, and it's also very famous of the industrial robots. There is a map. There is a map about how the Germany company produce these robots. 来看看呢。Okay. And this is the demo samples to show you how it looks like. There are also some servos, 1, 2, and some more motors. This is a small one. And then there are some also introduced about their other products like this in the industrial area. Okay, today's introducing, so finish. See you next time. If you liked me, please follow me and subscribe me. See you. Bye bye.